Here's the unveiling of a trophy. Ta-da! Stir-fried perch fillets. How's that smell, Kathy?
Oh, it smells great. The curry there smells good.
I'll turn this wok down. This is an electric wok we're using. It's just good to control the temperatures. Now we're putting this on a bed of rice, just plain white rice. That's enough for Bob and Ed to taste, I think. Do up a batch for each of them here. Stir-fried fish is an excellent way to cook it because you don't want to overcook fish. And of course, when you stir-fry, it's a sort of a delicate method of sautéing. Just excellent for perch. Why don't you take that over to... Whoops, hold it. We'll put a little soy sauce on. Since this is a stir-fry, add a little extra on the top. That's what the recipe calls for. This recipe, by the way, came out of Kay Ritchie's book, Savor the Wild. The star of the show is right here, a yellow perch. Of course, these perch are caught. We catch some 2-pounders, which we caught all summer long, both in Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. But what we want to do is fillet this perch. They're good scaled, but we fillet the perch out, and you can see a couple fillets here off of nice-sized perch. But what's in the wok, Kathy?
It's so easy. Just 2 tablespoons of butter.
Okay.
Right. And
Now we add some onion rings.
Right. Not chopped.
Not chopped. Onion rings from 1 large onion. And our spices.
Ginger and curry, and that's it.
Okay, now they're ground ginger and curry powder. We take about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger.
And a little more of the
A
curry.
little more curry powder, but you can do it to your taste. Bring that to a boil.
Just to a simmer. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what about soy sauce?
Only a teaspoon.
Teaspoon of soy sauce in there. Bring that to a boil, and then you take your perch fillets. Now we cut these fillets, take them like this, and cut them into about 2-inch pieces, like so. And that's what we stir fry for how long?
Just 10 minutes.
And is it delectable? Is it delectable?
Delicious.
You'd be mighty hard pressed to wreck perch, wouldn't we?
I'd say this is a perfect recipe for somebody who has somebody in their family that's not a really big fish eater. Perfect recipe for them.
The curry and the ginger in here. This is just the best perch I've ever eaten. It's really great.
Very delicate, very
Yeah.
delicate. But this is right here in our Club Digest, stir-fry perch fillets.